Hi, boys and girls. We are going to read about two very special friends today. They are Q and U. This book is called Best Friends Q and U, and we're going to get to read about all the great things that these best friends do. Okay? When we read this story, I'm going to challenge you to do a couple of things. Listen for the words that you hear that have the QU in them. The QU makes the qua sound. When you're done reading, you can make a list of QU words or use some QU words that you found in a new sentence of your own and draw a picture to go with it. Or you can go back through the book and count all of the QU words you can find in this book. And then you can sort the words into groups that have QU, qua, at the beginning and QU in the middle of the word. Those are just some fun things you can do as a QU challenge while you're reading this book or afterwards. So let's go ahead and get started. Best Friends, Q and U, written by Karen Mockler, illustrated by Jeff Ebler. Q and U are quite a team. Quite. They quack together at some quail. Quack, quail. Here they are, quack, 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 and the quail just look kind of annoyed with them. They quilt together in the square. Quilt, square. And there they are sewing their quilt. They squeeze together on the bus. Squeeze. See how they're squeezing together? They search together for a quarter. Quarter. There they are looking for it so they can play their game. 25 cents to continue. 25 cents is a quarter. They squeal together at the queen. Squeal, queen. So when they see the queen, they squeal because they're so excited. Oh, they sigh together during a quiz. Quiz. A quiz is like a test. It can be hard, but it's a chance to show what you know. Quiz. They squish together in the mud. Squish. Squish, 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 squish. They squint together at some squid. Squint, squid. Squinting is when you close your eyes almost all the way shut so you can just kind of barely see. Sometimes when you're looking closely at something. And here is a squid. And they are at the aquarium. There's another Q word. They stick together in an earthquake. Q and U are quite a team. Earthquake is when the ground shakes and might crack a little bit. Quite, quite. And that is the story of the best friends Q and U. So now I would challenge you to go back to the beginning of the story and count all the QU words you can find. You could even make a list of your own QU words, or you could sort these qua words into words that have the QU at the beginning or QU in the middle. Explore your Q words today and have fun, friends. Hope you enjoyed the story.